I had a child with my first wife. Naghiwalay kami kasi hindi kami nagkakaintindihan. We decided na sa kanya ang bata sa school time. Akin naman yung bata kapag summer or bakasyon. Or in vice versa kapag meron siyang plano. After 2 years of separation, I met my now fiancé. Nag-click kasi kami agad. At nakita ko close din siya sa daughter ko. So talagang nahulog yung loob ko sa kanya. I thought, ito na yung second shot ko at love. And I decided to make it official. Kaya nag-propose ako. Nung nagsasend na kami ng mga attendees ng kasal, yung mga sponsors, nilagay ko yung daughter ko as flower girl. To my surprise, ayaw niya. Sabi niya inappropriate daw na nasa wedding namin ang daughter ko from someone else. Nagulat ako and both at the same time nagalit. I told her na kung wala yung daughter ko sa wedding, walang magiging wedding. Am I overreacting? Or this is just a lesson for her to learn yung acceptance? Lester, if you are asking me if you are overreacting or nasa tama ka ba, let me answer that plain and simple and agad-agad. Nasa tama ka, my love. Kasi if itinago mo sa kanya that you have a child with someone else, I would understand yung reaction niya. But from the beginning of your relationship, you've been honest that the daughter does exist. At ikaw nga ang nagsabi, napansin mo na close din naman siya sa daughter mo. So, I don't know where this one is coming from. I mean, close ka naman sa bata eh. I mean, it's just flower girl. Diba? Anak naman niya yun eh. And basically, magiging stepmom ka din sa kanya eh. So tanong, ay na-arte mo. Diba? Nasaan yung logic mo? Asan yung common sense doon? Of course, that child will be in the wedding. Kita mo na nga kung gaano siya ka-close sa tatay niya to the point na yung tatay niya would want na approve din ng daughter niya yung new partner niya. And vice versa. So, you are not in the wrong, but you have to clear this one out to your now fiancé and hopefully, matuloy pa rin as your next wife. Na, this can never happen. There will be milestones in my life that my daughter will be by my side. Kasi that's my daughter. And even if magkaroon tayo ng anak, even if magkaroon tayo ng sarili nating daughter or son, that child won't be excluded. Kikilalanin siya bilang ate. That's how it will go. Kasi that's how it should go. You are gonna accept that child as your own. If we are to be a family, kasi that child is mine. And whatever it is na insecurity sa katawan na meron ka, yung fear sa katawan mo na hindi ka nagtitiwala na gusto kita, mahal kita, or natatakot ka na baka bumalik ako sa ex-wife ko, marrying you, hindi ba yun enough as a proof that I want to be with you? Kasi hindi ko naman pinakasalan yung una kong wife eh. Nagkaroon na kami ng pamilya. Pero ikaw, pakakasalan kita. That should have been enough for you to understand na I'm not going anywhere. That if there's any woman present today that I'm making this promise to, it's you. So, di ba parang unreasonable yung hinihiling ni ate. And I want you to think 100 times over before you pursue with this. I'm not saying na bitawan mo siya, i-drop mo siya like hot potato. Wag naman ganun. O, diba? Meron naman kayong pinagsamahan. And do not let this one incident define your whole pagkilala sa kanya, pagkakakilala sa kanya. Maybe may underlying reason, maybe may bumulong, maybe may masama siyang hanging na singhot. For her to think like that. But you can get to the bottom of that by counseling, diba? By talking to a professional. To get to the bottom of things, para alam mo kung saan siya nanggagaling with this kind of decision or this kind of opposition. And once you get there, wag mo din siyang bigyan ng ultimatum na, though I do understand na that's how it should be, na it will always be the kids over the partner, pero wag mo ding gawing hadlang sa relationship nila itong issue na to. Don't use it as a barrier for them to have this underlying feeling against each other. Instead of taking sides, you make a bridge. Kasi that's most probably your job right now. Ito yung pinaka goal mo talaga, to bridge that two, kasi those two girls, those two women are completely important to you. You cannot choose either of them. That will be unfair to you. That will be unfair to the both of them. So, as much as you can, do not take sides. Kailangan maging bridge ka sa kanilang dalawa. And you have to give both of them a chance. Pero in this case, dahil bata pa yung isa, in this case, you have to give your fiancé and soon-to-be wife a chance to explain herself. Maybe, just maybe, meron lang nangyari recently that made her feel that way. Matuto pa rin tayong magtanong at mag-communicate. Yan naman ang sekreto ng lahat ng healthy marriage. Lalong-lalo na itong papasok pa lang sa stage ng married life. In order for things to work out sa relationship ninyo and in order for it to last a lifetime, you really need to know and learn how to communicate with each other and make it functioning sa loob ng inyong pamilya. So again, Lester, I applaud you for being a great father to your kid. Ayan, for pushing your kid na sumama, o diba? You don't even have to push dapat. Pero in your case, for pushing your kid na sumama sa special milestones ng buhay mo. But I wish in the future you don't have to do that, o diba? Hindi mo na kailangan gawin yan. And I wish and hope na sa future, once na meron ka ng sarili mong anak with this woman, kung gaano ka ka-unbiased ngayon, kung gaano ka gitna ngayon, sana sa mga anak mo, it will always be the same as well. Kumbaga, pantay-pantay pa rin yung ipapadama nyo sa kanila. Pantay na pantay pa rin yung ipapakita nyo sa kanila. Kasi that would set an example dun sa mga batang yon na we are related by blood, yes. Pero that doesn't guarantee a bond. Maraming magkakamag-anak, maraming magkakadugo na hindi sila close. Kasi blood doesn't create connections. Relationship does. So para po sa may mga extended family, para po sa may mga stepdaughter, stepson, stepfather, stepmother, diba? Hindi dugo ang nagkokonekta sa tao. It's relationship. So if you want to bond with them, regardless if kadugo nyo sila o hindi, that can happen. As long as magiging honest kayo, makikipag-communicate kayo, and most importantly siguro, i-accept ninyo yung isa't isa bilang parte ng pamilya ng isa't isa. Klaro? Klaro.